National Bike Week started this weekend and is running until Sunday. There are events every day and in every county to support people who cycle and encourage those who might like to take to two wheels. Details are available from local councils and the National Transport Authority.
Eamon Cant Park in Dublin was the venue for Pedal Power, Dublin City Council's flagship event for Bike Week. A safe cycle school for youngsters was a big attraction.
Well, every Sunday we run an open session for the schools, for any kids at all. They come up here, we provide them with bikes, helmets if they don't have their own, and we encourage them and we give them some basic instruction.
Though some think drivers could do with a little education too.
How are the cars and things?
A bit too trafficky.
And what about the bike lanes? Tell us about them.
Oh, they're perfect. People just park their cars in the middle of the bike lane. It's so weird.
Redclick, the sponsors of Dublin Bikes, had a competition for the fastest cycle down a virtual O'Connell Street. This competitor is 82 years old and cycles around 300 kilometres every week.
It's like a drug, I can't give it up. I do something every day on a bike. Actually, every day. If I don't do a little bit in the garage, I go out 100k, 120k, regularly, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday in particular.
For those of us less fit, there's an event for everyone.
There's everything from, Cúpla Focla on your bicycles on Friday night. There's dawn sites. There's biosphere bikes and birds. There's a swim and a cycle. And there's something for everybody.
There's all sorts of events all over the country for Bike Week, and most of them aren't races or even challenges. Coleman O'Sullivan, not going anywhere fast for RTE News.